Hello, I'm Roshan recording experiment 7 on predictive parsing for compiler lab. So let's see the code. So for predictive parsing, first of all we are gonna uh, use the parsing table, and later I'm gonna print the parsing table, and I'm gonna ask for a string which is to be parsed, and based on the parsing table we have taken as input, we're gonna parse the string and display like how it is passed and what the reduction shift and acceptance operations it is done on the input. So let's see one by one. First I asked for the number of terminals, then the number of non-terminals. Later I got the list of terminals, the list of non-terminals, and this is simply initializing the PT is a passing table, it's an array to store the passing table, and when initialize it to null, then I'm going to get the reading for uh, passing table from the user, and this is to print the passing table that I just read. And yeah, then comes the main part, and here you're gonna get a string from the user, and this is to pass. You're gonna put a dollar to simply denote the end of the input string. We have a variable in C and another one in PWS. PWS is present working state, and C is the character at the beginning of the string to be passed, and PWS shows the state which you are in right now. And stack stack first contains a dollar and dash, and I'm gonna simply print out both of it at the beginning. Then I'm gonna fetch the first character of the input string and the state at the top of the stack uh, in C and PWS respectively. Later I'm going to compare them. What if the state and the string in the beginning is the same, then I can remove that particular character from the input that is provided to me. Every time I consider the top of stack, the top state is usually removed. So that is what is being done here. I'm simply taking the substring, uh, yeah, substring from 0. So here instead of stack, I'm using a string. So to show the operation, to imitate that particular operation, of removing top, I'm gonna simply remove the simply take the substring from 0 to the one letter before the last letter. So basically the last letter is omitted, and now my purpose is to check if they're equal. If they're equal, as I said before, it's removed, and if it is not removed, the next step is to find what is the alternative production that is to be put inside the stack. So to get that from the passing table, you need to find the index of that alternative production. So you have a variable xc and xr to denote index of column and index of row, and to find the index of row, you're gonna check. We already had an array NT is a list of non-terminals. We're gonna that is represented in the passing table, and look through that and see if it contains the state which we are handling. And if it contains that particular state, we're gonna find the index of it, and that will be the index of the row in the passing table. And now we're going to go through that list of an array of terminals, and we're going to find that particular terminals index in that terminal array, and that is going to be the index of the column. And we're going to use that index to fetch that alternate production, and we'll print that production. And instead of epsilon, we're going to use at the rate of simple, and if it's an arbitrary, you can simply skip that conversion. So let's say I have a continue there. If it's not, we're going to find out what is there, that particular alternative. We're going to reverse it, and we're going to put that in the stack. So it's here uh, that is done using these two operations. And yeah, after a number of passing, if there comes a state where the input string is just dollar and the stack also simply contains dollar, you know the string is accepted. So here I'm gonna run this using a particular input. See, so every input won't work for this program because the passing table and the input that is given has to be valid, and that is why Yeah. So let's try running the code. So let's say I have four terminals and five non-terminals, and the terminals are Q, A, B, and dollar, and the list of non-terminals are S, A, B, C, and D, and S of Q goes to A, B, C, and S of A, and S of E, and S of dollar, and A of Q are errors, and we have A of A as A, F B as B, B, D, F dollar as another, P of Q as another, B of A as an A, B of B is an epsilon, and here we're gonna substitute it with another at the rate of symbol, and so again another epsilon. C of Q is another, C of A is another, B is another, sorry, C of B is B, and C of dollar is an epsilon, so iterator basically. D of Q is another, D of A is epsilon, D of B is epsilon, D of C, I mean D of dollar is epsilon. That is this is the entire passing table we just input, and yeah, based on that we are asked to give an input string to be passed. So here I'm giving Q B B A B, and if this is how this it's a passing, how the passing has been done on that. So this particular string has been accepted, and you can see QABB and S, and after checking S and Q, they fetch this particular alternate production QABC, and you're going to replace the S with the reverse QABC, that is CVAQ in stack, and these step um, progresses, and in the end you get only $2 in the stack and also in the input. That means the keyword string is accepted, and that is all. Thank you.